בראשית ברא אלוהים את השמיים ואת הארץ. אלוהים, דברו ורוחו, אחד הם. לאלוהים החי והאמיתי יש פנים רבות, אבל הוא אחד. בשמיים היה מלאך יפהפה בשם הלל בן שחר, שבחלקו נפל התפקיד הרם לשמור על כס אלוהים. יום אחד, לליבו של הלל בן שחר נכנס חטא הגאווה. הוא רצה להיות שווה לאלוהים צבאות. הלל בן שחר בשיגעונו פיתה מלאכים רבים להצטרף אליו בניסיון להשתלט על השמיים. אבל הייתה לו להלל בן שחר בעיה גדולה. הוא היה לא יותר מאשר יצור נברא. אלוהים השליך מן השמיים את הלל בן שחר ואת כל המלאכים המורדים. המלאכים האלה, שירדו מגדולתם, הפכו לשדים, והלל בן שחר לשטן. הם התמקדו סביב כדור הארץ, שהפך למקום מושבו של השטן. הארץ הפכה לנקודת המוקד בדרמה המדהימה שהתרחשה. עכשיו הגיע הזמן להציג לפניכם את דמויות המפתח בסיפורנו.
He's been kidnapped in final need and lives in his luxury cage ever since, so in public as in private, exploited and transported like a mindless freak.
Terrified of urban communication and jaded from the beauties of nature, the apathetic symbol of a homeless race, the soul of man in galactic exile, will express but utter disinterest and spiteful ignorance about the territory of his actual whereabouts.
He is a mechanical puppet of the show, perfectly identical with his message. He'll never shroud behind the incognito of an image and won't show any signal of discomfort with his evacuated status.
It is in his contract that he may not break loose from his air-conditioned coffin as long as alive. In the fake solitude of a collective peep show, the naked thought will be watched like through the keyhole of his boudoir, in the intimacy of his dressing room transported center stage.
He'll have to behave as before hidden cameras of constant surveillance. The interior of the symbolic cell should be holographically revised, a different decor every time, quite up to the show's local organizers.
Only the wardrobe, also the producer's choice, have to be materialized, and an emblematic dinner trolley kept as the sole steady prop in the background. This item will serve as a static buffet supplied with fresh desserts the eternal homeboy will regularly consume during the talkfest.
Awakened in public by the stroke of midnight, the obscene actor will as well be drinking aromatized coffees and alcoholic beverages, smoking cigarettes and bought in chain, and taking various drugs as indicated on daily schedule.
Wearing the makeup of a resident artist, the junkie monkey will be doing his potential best to act destructive and incomprehensible by all norms of a civilized society.
Yet, he'll never forget about his confirmed task of prognostic doomsaying about the final countdown to the end of the Dark Ages. 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 To the end of the Dark Ages.
The snake, the dragon, the beast, the false prophet, and the whore of Babylon. 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 The whore of Babylon.
Etwas hat gesagt, dass das ist etwas, aber es ist nichts. Etwas hat gelügt. Warum?
Stop the claptrap and reveal me right now.
Stop the claptrap and reveal me right now.
Why were we born and why must we die?
Why were we born and why must we die?
If you don't provide a normal answer,
If you don't provide a normal answer,
I won't love you and will tell them that you lie.
I won't love you and will tell them that you lie, you lie, you lie, you lie. What should I say? Oh no, isn't she charming? When getting on and out of her mind. If your heart don't break at so much kismet, I'll disclaim you and will admit that I lied. Hey, what's the loss? Why would I be lying? Don't you know that I must be a spy? Why on earth you want to get a message that would only make you desperately cry?
Martyrs of the Cosmic Bargain. Nobody knows where we are.
Nobody knows where we are.
One day we'll lay down the burden.
One day we'll lay down the burden.
And this day is not too far.
And this day is not too far.
Classified, marketed haylots.
Classified, marketed hellos.
Wondering for whom to vote.
Wondering for whom to vote.
One night will unite the methods.
One night we'll unite the methods.
And change control less remote.
And change control less remote.
I had enough. Please inform me clearly.
I had enough. Please inform me clearly.
Is there life after death or nothing?
Is there life after death or nothing?
If you keep on riding on the same track,
If you keep on riding on the same track,
I won't follow you and will return the ring.
I won't follow you and will return the ring. What should I do? How to put it quite good? She's such a virgin, what could turn her head? you don't help me to find the writer, I'll desert the post and will shoot myself dead. Make a fuss, what's the matter with me? Words alone will never tell you more. I'm only here to redeem your soul, girl. I've only come through to execute the war.
Martyrs of the cosmic bargain.
Martyrs of the cosmic bargain.
Nobody knows where we are.
Nobody knows where we are.
One day we'll lay down the burden.
One day we'll lay down the burden.
And this day is not too far.
And this day is not too far.
Classified, marketed halots.
Classified, marketed halos.
Wondering for whom to vote.
Wondering for whom to vote.
One night will unite the methods.
One night will unite the methods.
And change control less remote.
And change control less remote.
Would you kindly disclose?
Hallelujah, would you kindly disclose?
Will the saints ever go marching in?
Will the saints ever go marching in?
If you don't give me a date to count with.
If you don't give me a day to count with,
I won't support you and will indulge in sin.
I won't support you and will indulge in sin. What should I play? Can't you see she's waiting? Why do you leave me always alone? If this business is slow to your highness, I'll disappear and won't remember long. Come on, what's the reason, my sweet darling? Don't you know this program is divine? Women won't defend us from vertex. All we're left to do is now and then on time. Martyrs of the cosmic bargain. Nobody knows where we are. One day we'll lay down the burden, and this day is not too fast. Classified, marketed hellos. Wondering for whom to vote. One night we'll unite the methods.
martyrs of the cosmic bargain.
Martyrs of the cosmic bargain.
Nobody knows where we are.
Nobody knows where we are.
One day we'll lay down the burden.
One day we'll lay down the burden.
And this day is not too far.
And this day is not too far.
Classified, marketed chaos.
Classified, marketed chaos.
Wondering for whom to vote.
Wondering for whom to vote.
One night will unite the methods.
One night